Very good morning to all. My presentation topic is non-deterministic finite automata and deterministic finite automata. The non-deterministic finite automata is a finite atom defined by the quantifier m equal to capital Q summations lambda small q naught capital F, where capital Q is a finite set of state, summation equal to non-empty finite set of symbols called as input alphabet. Lambda is a capital Q into summation, that is 2 into capital Q, is a total function called as transition function. Q naught is the small q naught is the initial state. Capital F subset of capital Q, the set of final state. Example, capital see the diagram. Example, capital Q is a final set of state. Capital A, capital B, C, capital D, capital E, capital F, these are the capital Q final set of states. Summation equal to input alphabet. Example, small letter A, B, C. Lambda is a transition functions. Small q naught is a initial state. Here capital A is a initial state. F is a subset of final state. F find out by the double circles. Here capital D, capital F is a final state. Next one is deterministic finite automata. The deterministic finite automata is a collection of 5 tuples, same as we described in the definition of finite automata. Capital M equal to capital Q summation lambda small q naught capital F. Capital Q is a final set of state. Summation of the final set of input symbol. Q naught, small q naught is an initial state. Capital F is a final state. Transition equal to capital Q into summation. It's a capital Q. The example of NFA. This diagram denoted as NFA. Q is a capital Q is a final state of state. What are the states? Small q naught, q1, q2. Summation equal final set of input symbols. Example is 0, 1. Q naught is a user state. Capital F is a final state. How to convert from NFA to DFA conversions? The example is NFA diagram. What are the state available in the NFA diagram? Example, q naught, q1, q2. Small q naught is the initial state. q1, q2 is the final state. What are the alphabet available in this diagram? Small letter A, B. How to convert from NFA to DFA? The transition table. First we can take initial state q naught, A. Let's go to q naught state. Next q naught, B. Let's list next other state. It's q naught, q1. Q naught, q1, input alphabet is A. Let's go to q naught state. Next one is q naught, q1, input alphabet B. That goes to q naught, q1, q2 state. Next we can find out the final state q naught, q1, q2. A alphabet means go to q naught, q1, q2. Input alphabet B is go to q naught, q1, q2. Next example is NFA to DFA. Here what are the states available? q naught, q1, q2. What are the input? 0, 1. q naught, 0 means go to q naught state. q naught, 1. Let's go to q1, q2 state. q1, 0 means q1, q2 state. q1, 1 means go to q2 state. q2, 0, q naught, q1. q2, 1 means q1 state. First initially we can take initial state q naught, 0. Let's go to q naught state. And then q naught, 1. equals to another state Q1 comma Q2. Now we can find out Q1 comma Q2. 0 means equal to Q0 Q2 state. Q1 comma Q2 1 means Q1 comma Q2 state. The final state is Q0 comma Q1 Q2. 0 means go to Q0 comma Q1 Q2. Next one input means Q1 comma Q2. These are the convert from NFA to DFA conventions. Thank you.